Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'll be showing you how to do a military push-up. There's a lot of rules when it comes to it. A lot of people wonder what it's like before you get into basic training or boot camp or anything like that. Well, this is going to show you exactly how they're going to expect you to do military push-ups. Once you get to boot camp, once you get to training, wherever you're going for the military, JROTC, ROTC, this is how to do a push-up for any of those. I'm going to be showing you step by step. You'll be able to see, I'll try and put lines on the screen that show exactly like the points that you need to hit. So please watch carefully. If you guys go into basic, this should help you a lot. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions on the military, anything that you want to know regarding joining basic training or anything like that, please leave it in the comments below. I'm here to help you guys, so please just let me know what you guys need. So guys, to start out, where you place your hands is important. So you're allowed to do two types of push-ups in the Air Force, the military in general, two types of push-ups. There's the one with your arms very, very close. This is going to use your triceps. A lot of people find this easier to do for PT tests. I personally make my hands a little bit wider. You're allowed to go anywhere from here all the way in, right beside your body. So we're going to do like in the middle. Alright guys, so this is the position we're always going to start in. Arms locked out, straight up, back straight like a board. This is starting position. To do our first push-up, we're going to go down until our back is straight with our shoulders, all the way up to our elbows, and then all the way back up. Once your elbows lock out, that is one push-up. So guys, the important thing to note on that is that my elbow to my other elbow was flat. It has to go flat across your back, guys. Just imagine like a board was placed on your back. It needs to lay from your one elbow all the way to the other elbow. You can't sag, you can't arch, anything like that. You want to keep your body straight across, and then your body straight from your head all the way down to your heels. So guys, I'll show you again. All the way down, all the way up. Once you get all the way back up, that is one push-up. The important thing being that your elbow to your other elbow is perfectly flat. So if you took a board and you laid it from one elbow to the other, it would lay across your arms, across your back, and all the way to the other end. It wouldn't be bowed up on your back. Your back can't be high. Anything like that. Keep your body straight like a board. You want there to be no big bump in your body. So if your feet are here, it can't go up and then back down. It needs to go straight back to your heels. Now guys, I see a lot of people when they're trying to do a push-up, they sag like this, and then they go down and they're looking up like this, and then they go back up. That is not a push-up that will be accepted by the military. Also, if you go down and you're like this, that's not good either. So keep your body perfectly straight. You want to stiffen everything. Go all the way down, all the way back up. You do not have to actually hit the floor. As long as your body is flat from your elbow to your other elbow, you do not have to hit the floor. Wherever that is for you, it's okay. Just elbow to elbow is flat. So your arms at a 90-degree angle. Your arms need to be bent all the way. You need to have your elbow up like this, to where if you took a cross, to where if you go across it, it goes all the way to the other elbow. One more time. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you some more angles. Guys, this is how you do a push-up for the military. I showed you from all different angles. I showed you from the front, from over top, exactly how you're supposed to do it. Just final key points. Keep your back straight all the way across. A board should be able to lay from your elbow to your other elbow and not bow up on your back. You should be able to touch both elbows at the same time. Also, straight over your back, all the way to your heels, as straight as possible. You don't want to arch, you don't want to sag, you want to be totally straight. Go all the way down until your elbows go straight across, and then all the way back up to lock them out. When you start out, you're going to start in the up position, all the way up with your arms locked out. Now the last thing is, for the military, the only position to rest in, if you have to rest, but you're in the process of doing push-ups and you have to rest, you can't just lay flat on the ground or fall over or anything like that. To rest, you need to do it like this. You guys, for the resting position, you're going to go like this with your arms still locked out. You're going to go back to the starting position like this, and then you arch your back and lean backwards. This is how you rest for Air Force push-ups. And then when you're ready to do more, you straighten yourself back out, go all the way down again, and all the way back up, and continue doing your push-ups. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you like this video, please leave a like on it, and please subscribe. I'll be putting out more content like this soon. Let me know in the comments below anything that you guys want to see. If you guys have questions about the military, questions about basic training, anything like that, let me know in the comments below. I'll try and get a video out to you so you can find out any questions you have. So I know it's a little bit scary going off to basic or thinking about the military and not understanding a lot of things about it, but I'm here to help you guys. Just let me know what you need. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions on the military, anything that you want to know regarding joining basic training or anything like that, please leave it in the comments below. I'm here to help you guys, so please just let me know what you guys need.